Welcome you all. Myself Nagarajan, Assistant Professor in EC Department. In this video, we will see about the embedded systems and IOMT subject for biomedical engineering. In this topic, we will discuss about the interfacing protocols used in embedded system. So, introduction to interfacing protocols. So interfacing protocol is to define the standards and methods for communication between embedded system and peripheral devices. These protocols ensure data is exchanged correctly and effectively. So first protocols is a SPI, that is a serial peripheral interface. Let us see the overview of the SPI. So SPI is a synchronous serial communication protocol used for short distance communication. It operates in full duplex mode, meaning data can be transmitted and received simultaneously. So architecture of a SPI is shown in this figure. So it has a master, it is a microprocessor or controller, and it also have a slave. So master and slave. So this is a master slave configuration. So master slave configuration, one device control one or more peripheral devices. That means master. So master control one or more slave devices. The master generate the clock signal and initiate its communication. So they four type of data lines are used in the SPI. One is a MOSI and MISO, and then SCK, then SS. Okay. So data lines are master out, slave in. So lines are sending data from the master to the slave. So the data are sent from master to slave. This is a MOSI. Then MISO. So lines for sending data from the slave to the master. Then SCK, that is a serial clock. Clock signal generated by the master to synchronize the data transfer. Then SS, that is a slave select. Line used by the master to select the slave devices. Now let us see the advantages of a SPI. That is it has a high speed and also a full duplex communication. High speed means is capable of high 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 speed data transfer due to its synchronous nature. Next, full duplex communication means it allows simultaneous data transmission and reception. Now let us see the disadvantages of a interfacing protocols communication protocol. It's a SPI. So it has a two disadvantages. One is a multiple slave devices. So in this architecture we are using a multiple slave devices is one of the disadvantages we are considering in the SPI. So multiple slave devices requires additional lines for each slave devices, that means SS lines, which can become cumbersome in systems with many peripherals. No standard protocols for data farming. The implementation details can vary, leading to compatibility issues. Now let us see the next interfacing protocol. It is a I2C, that is a integrator circuit protocol. Let us see the overview. So I I2C is a synchronous multi-master multi-slave packet switched protocol used for communication between the integrated circuit on a circuit board. It uses only two lines of communication. So let us see the architecture. It is already we told that it has a two lines. So one is a data lines and another one is a addressing. So data lines mean considered with the SDA and SCL. So SDA means is a serial data line and SCL means serial clock line. So serial data lines mean it carry the data to and from the devices. So serial clock lines means it provides a clock signal for synchronization. Next, addressing lines are devices on the bus are addressed using unique 7-bit or 10-bit addresses. Now let us see the advantages of a I2C. So it is a simplified wiring. So only require two lines regardless of the number of devices. And next, multi-master capability. Multiple master can exist on the same bus, allowing for flexible system design. Let us see the disadvantages of a I2C protocol. So it has a speed limitation, generally slower compared to SPI, with speeds typically up to 400 kbps or 1 megabits per second in a high speed mode. Next disadvantage is a bus contention. Multiple devices on the bus can lead to bus contention and potential data collision. So I hope that all of you understood about the what are the protocols used in the peripheral devices. In this lecture we discussed that is a SPI, that is a serial peripheral interface, and also a I2C bus protocol. Thank you.